Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video we talk about GetKicks token. These tokens will be listed on KuCoin exchange, so in this video I am going to tell you about that token, because you cannot get this token on any crypto exchange. KuCoin is the first exchange where this token has been listed. If you search this token on CoinMarketCap, you can get this token, because this token has not been listed on any exchanges. In this video, I am telling you complete detail about that token. And first of all, we start from trading time. Its trading time is 10 on October 18 on 2020 UTC time. Withdraw in 24 hours. After 24 hours, you can withdraw this token after 24 hours. KuCoin is extremely proud to announce yet another great project that is coming to our trading platform, GetKicks. Kicks is its tracker, will be available on KuCoin exchange on 18 October. Here's total supply and circulating supply also given. You can read complete detail on this page. On KuCoin exchange, the blog has also been uploaded. You can search this token on going to events and search KuCoin news. Total issue price is 0.005 USDT. If we talk about what is GetKicks combination fashionable and futuristics 3D sneakers NFT and move to earn play to earn game. This is also a Web3 project. The future of sneaker collection is here. If we talk about this token in detail, we can visit their website. Here is a link. Click on this link, continue, and you can redirect in this website. GetKicks.io, its tracker. You can search this tracker on KuCoin on any crypto exchange or on any crypto browser or KuCoin or Chrome browser. You can easily get this token on Chrome browser. Here is GetKicks and GetFits. Here collection for attacks and fashionable NFT kicks in the GetKicks apps. Are you here to collect or here to talk, walk, jog or run? It's up to you. Powered by BNB blockchain, you can trust on these projects. Here is Play Store and App Store apps. You can also install apps and start earning in this token. This token will give free of cost by you. If you buy these sneakers, here you can see different sneakers. If you buy any sneakers, you have to pay kick tokens, and you earn a massive earning about that token. So this is a use case of that token. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more information and more videos. Thanks for watching.